starting to come down again. Tom coming out to do some digging. A lot of leaves in there? Lots of leaves? Yeah, I've been filming it for about 5 minutes. I don't know how much is going down. A lot more coming up right now. They got about 6 inches before the car is going to get flooded. You may want to move it down a bit. Yeah, that's gone. They're looking at a new car for that one. What's that? Yeah. The car blocked most of the ice probably. Yep. Whew. It's cold on the feet. Coming down again. Holy cow. Okay, I'm getting soaked.